I personally asked the President what his position is with the sin tax. And he said to me, unequivocally, that we will pass the sixth sin tax reform bill, the one of, and that he supports the position of no price freeze, and he supports the position that there should be an indexation, and that it should be on a current price classification. So I think that, when I asked the question, what is our position, he said that we will pass it, and he went on to enumerate what principle he is in favor of. So it just shows that he had read the bill, and he knows what this excise tax reform bill is all about, and he was the one who volunteered what principles that he is in favor of. So I believe that should lay to rest the statement of some people that this bill does not have the support of the President. Because at the end of the day, if it does not have the support of the President, I would not be appealing in the Committee of Ways and Means, because we have specific instruction to really shepherd the passage of the sin tax reform.